Hey there, neighbors! Init na ba kayo this summer? How about you, Chico?
Sobrang init talaga.
Grabe, no? Kasi if you are, you're in luck. Because we're showing you how to have a smart kitchen that can help you make refreshing summer drinks.
Pero syempre, kasi next upgrade to, dapat kakaiba din yung drinks natin, di ba? Para naman may upgrades din sa taste buds mo. So we're trying out 2 weird drink recipes that you can make to beat the heat.
Welcome to Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to turning your home into a smart one. Help us stay cool and refreshed with some likes, comments, and subscribe.
Okay, Game Chef, how do you want to start?
I was thinking sana to use all these ingredients to make a drink out of it. And then we'll search online sa recipe and then gagamitin mo kung anong gusto mong gamitin dito. Okay, and then you'll make the first drink and then I will try it.
Teka lang, ako pala una, pressure yun
Kaya mo yan.
Pero sige, G. Pero bago yun, Chef, pwede bang lumabas ka muna?
Bakit?
Pero kailangan natin ng element ng surprise. May pa-surprise tayo konti.
Wow, gagalingan talaga niya.
Sakto
Okay,
lang.
sige. Good luck, okay?
Thank you.
And make me proud. Kaya mo yan.
I'll see you later. Okay, so yung pinili kong ingredients are carrots, ginger, and orange. Tapos yung nahanap kong recipe is this carrot ginger citrus smoothie. Bali, I'll be blending all these ingredients together with the Breville Kinetix Twist Blender, which makes recipes that use citrus foods tulad netong oranges and lemons super easy. Meron kasing attachment dito sa lid na juicer, meaning you can add your citrus juice while you're blending. Pang multitasker talaga siya. The Kinetix Twist also uses Breville's patented Kinetix blade and bowl hugging system to bring the liquids down from the top of the pitcher to the bottom para mas smooth yung finish niya. So now that I've got my ingredients and my blender, the next step is a montage. Ayan! Carrot ginger citrus smoothie. Now for the taste test.
So what do we have here?
Kailangan mo hulaan, Chef.
Hulaan.
Yup.
Okay. Visually, I can see some grains of veggies. Okay siya. Actually, it's kind of refreshing. Yung lasa niya is like earthy and citrusy. So meron tong, I think, orange.
Yup,
Oranges.
correct.
Okay.
Like orange yan.
Yes. And meron siyang garnish na coconut, desiccated coconut, which is a smart move. I would suggest if you're gonna do this kind of drink, okay, we can use a Breville Smart Blender. And then after, para mawala yung grain niya, and then kita mo to, ang hirap kasi inumin.
Yeah.
Especially if you're using a straw. So instead of a smoothie, I think mas smart move yung gawin mo siyang juice. Pero overall, I think you did a great job. Okay siya. Especially kapag summer, you put a lot of ice. Just a hint of alcohol, baby. Pwede, di ba?
Pwede.
Okay. But first, you do the same. You step out first.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay.
And wish me luck.
Chef,
Yes.
better be good, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I found this recipe for a mint chocolate green protein smoothie. And I'll be using Breville Kinetix Twist Blender to make it then. Kuya, nagpa-montage pa si Chico? Ako rin ah. And there you have it, our mint chocolate green protein smoothie. Welcome back.
Nice. Okay, Chef. What do you have here?
Behold, a protein smoothie. Pero, you'll have to guess kung anong flavor siya, kung anong twist na ginawa ko dito. Okay, from the looks of it, what do you think is the twist ingredient?
So protein, probably there's protein powder.
There is a protein powder.
There's chocolates, of course. Kita-kita. May pagka-green siya. So, G?
Toast. Siyempre sasabihin ko, sarap. Diba? Okay. Genuine verdict.
Masarap. Yeah, it's good.
Masarap, tapos na may kasamang tawa.
May vegetables. May vegetables ata to,
Yes. May vegetables yan.
Almond milk. Yun lang yung nakikita ko. What kind of protein
Wala,
do you use?
diba?
Like, kasi it doesn't taste like regular whey.
Yes. It's actually vegan. It's a plant-based whey protein. Alright, for the reveal of the actual recipe, I call this mint chocolate green protein smoothie.
So, chef, medyo na-mask mo yung spinach. I couldn't have guessed, actually.
Spinach.
Oh.
But you're very certain that there's green.
Sa color.
Yeah, sa color.
But yeah, this is better than the drink I made. For me.
Depende, you know, taste is subjective.
Yeah.
So, papatikimin natin sila later. No?
So they'll be the judge.
Sige, tingnan natin. Team Jeric or Team Chico?
I think alam ko na kung saan team ako. So we had a little extra time today to do another recipe each. Pero this time, wala nang guessing.
That's true. Instead, we're both just going to make espresso shots using the Breville Barista Touch and then mix them with another ingredient from this selection.
If you guys want to learn more about the Barista Touch in detail, you can check out this video. Pero in a nutshell, no pun intended, this device can grind beans, brew your coffee, and even steam your milk. And it's all done with this super handy touchscreen. Meron din siya mga built-in recipes that get displayed on the screen so you can make your coffee like a pro. Tapos you can also program your own custom recipes.
Wow, that's super helpful. Thank you, Chico. Alright, so for the first step, we'll be making the espresso. Chico, would you like to montage with me?
Jeric, I would love to montage with you.
Okay, espresso shots done. Now for the exciting part. Let's see what's available here. So Chico, anong gagamitin mo dito sa ingredients nito?
But I'm gonna work with this one. Sparkling water.
Okay. I'm using orange juice. Yes.
Orange juice.
You'll be surprised. I have something in mind. So my drink is orange espresso. Okay, it might be odd for others.
It is.
So we have espresso here. Ayan. One espresso shot. And, of course, orange juice.
Yeah, I think I'll be surprised regardless of what happens here.
There you go. Look how they are infusing with each other. Yeah, looks like an iced tea,
Alright.
but coffee.
I see what you're going for.
Yeah.
Yung akin naman, I'm going for sparkling Americano. I think okay na.
Yes. Okay.
And instead of flat water, I'll be using, again, sparkling water.
Ooh.
Para fizzy.
Bougie water. There you go. I can imagine naman how the espresso would taste with sparkling water. Ano? Taste test time?
G na to.
G. Okay.
So,
magpapalit tayo ng drink, no? This is yours.
thank you, chef.
Okay.
This is yours.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Looks like the espresso is at the bottom. Mix ko muna.
Yeah, I'll mix it too.
Okay. Moment of truth. Okay. What do you think? Nagustuhan mo ba yung orange espresso?
It actually works. Yung citrus and the espresso, you wouldn't think that it's a
Do
likely
you think
pairing,
it
right?
complements each other's flavors?
I don't know if it's compliment. If compliment is the right word, but
But I feel like
articulate.
it's better na iced siya.
Definitely.
Kasi it's refreshing. And syempre, summer ngayon, ang init-init, di ba?
This is perfect summer drink, especially
Yes.
kung kailangan mo lang ng pick-me-upper. I think I would recommend this.
For this one naman, I feel like I'm drinking a soda coffee. It's also refreshing and it's perfect that it's iced. The notes, may mga notes. The notes of the coffee beans. Yeah, sobrang na-amplify siya using our Breville espresso machine.
So overall, I think it's a success. No? Simple lang,
Yes.
just two ingredients, pero
Pwede na tayong magnegosyo, pwede na mag-coffee shop.
pwede na. And that's all the time we have for this episode. Pero before we go, may final thoughts ka ba on our weird summer drinks, chef?
Well, I really had fun with all the recipes that we did, especially etong coffee, no?
Yeah.
And it wouldn't hurt for you to be creative, especially the summertime. With the help of our smart devices, I'm sure the recipes would be endless.
Actually, tama ka dun. Yung mga maliliit na bagay, yung small features like the juicer on top of the blender, touch panels dun sa coffee maker, they just make our lives easier dito sa kitchen.
Tapos when things are easier, of course, they're also more fun, di ba?
Anyways, thanks for watching this week's episode of Next Upgrade. We hope we gave you some ideas on how to beat the summer heat.
And sana din we inspired you guys to try out more weird things in the kitchen. Trying out new recipes always keep things fresh, and food always tastes best when it's fresh. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll be dropping another new episode of Next Upgrade next Sunday. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. See you, neighbors.
See ya!